Okay, this is actually the first time since I built the motor that we've actually had the intake off, other than going for the fuel injection swap, which there's that. And surprisingly, the intake ports rather, on the head actually look very clean, kind of nice. Don't see anything nasty on the valves, and all that all the carbon deposits that were on there previously from when I switched it to from the dual SUs that were richer than snot, apparently they have burned off, so that's good. Getting ready to get the exhaust manifold off and start yanking the head off now.